tonight.
Hey, babe. I totally just made us reservations at this nice restaurant.
Oh, you
Five
did?
star.
Oh.
And they have your salmon and your steak because you know how you like both. And your
Oh, my.
like for dessert. So
Honey,
have
thank
that at 8.
Oh my gosh, thank you, honey, so
That's
much.
For you.
Man.
You got you one there. You
I
got
know,
you.
man, I know.
I brought you some food. I took my time here. I'm gonna feed you because you're a king.
Is that fake?
Bite it.
I told you they were gonna lose,
No
bro.
idea.
I told you, man. You don't
So I
get
totally just expanded your portfolio, moved some stocks around, so
Hey.
you're gonna make some money while it sleeps.
what? Oh my baby. Oh my god, I'm so lucky.
What? How much you need?
15,000.
You know, with the 401k thing, I've never really known how that
Yeah,
works.
you have.
Babe,
Oh shit.
can I tell you something upstairs?
Yeah, come on. See you later, bro.
Y'all out?
Yeah.
Bye, you guys have fun down there.
Okay. What a lucky son of.
Babe, I was thinking we need more TV time, so